Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating legitimate free Wi-Fi spots, libraries, cafes, transit hubs, or municipal hotspots. Once you find an SSID marked guest or free Wi-Fi, make sure you understand any time or purchase limits. This avoids sudden disconnection. Open your browser to trigger a captive portal page if needed, and use a temporary email when asked. Do this now so you're connected quickly and legally, keeping your phone's power usage minimal from the outset. Once connected, prioritize battery life. Switch to Wi-Fi only and disable cellular data and Bluetooth to reduce radio use. Make sure Battery Saver is on and close background apps that sync continuously. Streamline activity, check messages, load maps, or browse text pages rather than streaming video, because lighter tasks use far less energy and sustain your session longer. If you need files, download small ones quickly and then work offline. This is how you stay online without. To finish, sign out of any captive portal, forget the network, and clear browser sessions to protect your data. If you lose the connection, toggle Wi-Fi, move closer to the access point, or reopen the portal page to re-authenticate. These simple steps often restore access. If problems persist, ask staff for the hotspot name and limits. Finally, always use a VPN and avoid banking or private logins on public Wi-Fi. This protects you while making the most of free access without needing a recharge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.